Now at 6, those serving our country in the military are the latest group of people required to be vaccinated.
Well, this comes as the FDA fully approved the Pfizer shot just a few hours ago. Fox 46's Robin Kennedy joins us live in the newsroom. And Robin, does this mean more companies might be requiring the shot?
Yes, Brian, a former FDA commissioner says by law companies could require the shots before the FDA gave full approval. But now it is much more likely that companies will require employees to roll up their sleeves.
For anybody who does have doubts, this should help overcome it.
The FDA grants full approval of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine. Duke professor and former FDA commissioner Dr. Mark McClellan says this could mean people might feel more comfortable rolling up their sleeves now, and more companies might make them.
Companies could do it before. I think they're going to be more confident now and think they'll get more acceptance from their workers.
The doctor says full FDA approval of Pfizer means after following people who got the shot for more than 6 months, the FDA found the vaccine to be safe and effective, with no evidence of serious long-term side effects. There was a very rare occurrence of pericarditis, which is a cardiac muscle inflammation, but the doctor says the benefits of getting the shot outweigh the risks.
Didn't really change the picture at all in terms of very high benefits rate, very effective vaccine, very rare side effects, but it's more complete now. We've got more data on a lot more people. We've been able to see that in well over 100,000 pregnant women, the vaccine is protective, doesn't cause any adverse effects there.
And Dr. McClellan says parents should not worry that full FDA approval has not yet come for the Pfizer vaccine for 12 to 15-year-olds.
If there were any concerns about the use of the vaccine emerging in people 12 to 15, you would be hearing about it. It's something that FDA is staying on top of, and just like we saw with other rare side effects that have turned up infrequently with the vaccines, they start being used in millions of people. There will be a close review of that.
Now, the doctor expects the FDA to give full approval for the Pfizer vaccine for 12 to 15-year-olds by late fall and emergency approval for 5 to 12-year-olds by the end of the year. Back to you.
Yeah, Robin, thank you. And ahead at 6:30, the impact the state leaders expect the FDA's approval to have on vaccination efforts in South Carolina.